today in front of me DOOGEE S98 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So let's first launch Gmail application. And after that, tap on the right upper corner. Here we can see that we are logged in into the Google account, into Gmail account. And now just to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app, we should log out from Google account on our device. To do that, we should click here to manage accounts on this device, tap here on this account and click to remove account. Then confirm your action by click to remove account again and to OK. If you have some lock methods, like in my case, draw the pattern or enter the password. And now we can see that we are logged out successfully from Google account settings. And let's go back to the Google Gmail app, and also in Gmail app we can see that we are logged out from Gmail account here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.